Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did this swirl cup. This is the end result. I'm pretty happy with it. Each swirl cup you do, none of them are identical. So it's all unique and special to the customer. Alright then, stay tuned for more. Using the Pinata colors, I'm going to be using the teal, some pearl, pink, passion purple, and the white one. Alright, so I've already put my resin on, which is 50-50, and now I'm going to start putting the colors on. But first of all, I'm going to give it a shake. Quick shake, and we're going to start with the teal now. Won't look much yet, but when I add the white, that's when it will start doing its thing. You can see a bit of it at the moment. Okay, so we're going to do the pink. I think it's pink. Yeah, pink. Bit of a bright pink, that one. Okay, there's the pink. We can always go back later and add more colours to fill in the spots. Alright, so now I'm going to do purple. Okay. Now I'm going to throw in some white. Alright, we might have to go back to some colours. The pink's not showing up much, so I'm going to put the white back over the white. I probably needed to choose a different pink or a white cup maybe. It's alright. Might turn out. Go back to the teal. Maybe I should put more white on. Probably not. I don't want to kill it. Okay, back to white, and then I'll add the pearl. What I might do is I might change its direction. There we go. That way I can see where it's going. Put some white on. It's really bizarre. Alright, I'm going to change colours. It's so hard to know where to put it all, but it's just a matter of just filling the space and hoping for the best. That's all I do. Hope for the best. I might throw some more. Oh, I don't want too much pink. I might throw the pearl in there now. Give it a good shake. Let that twirl some more. I don't know what pearl will do. I was going to add gold. Maybe I should add gold. I don't know. Yeah, I think I'll add gold. I'll just go get my gold ink. Just giving it a good shake before I add the gold. It doesn't want to. I'm going to flick the switch to go the other way. Did that do it properly? There we go. The little balls would not move. Give it a good shake. I'm going to be using rich gold. Alright. Now I can break up some of this white with the gold. Now where to put it? That's the fun. Whoa, that's going to look awesome. That is going to look amazing. I love how it's doing it. I might go and add some more. There's lots of purple. Trying to decide what colour to add next. Might do a purple. Yeah. Do purple. There. Oops, a bit too much there, but oh well, she'll do. That needs a bit of white in there, in that big blob. It's a big spot. This spot here needs a bit of white in it. Alright, I think I'll leave it alone now. Maybe. I'll do a few more flicks of it, of the switch to make it turn the other way, and then I will just let it do its thing. If I can stop putting ink on it. Alright then guys, come back in a little bit and I'll show you when 2 hours has passed. Alright, see you soon. Welcome back. It's now been 2 hours and this has been turning. A few times I have stopped it and flicked it the other way, which it doesn't want to do it for me. There we go. I just do that and then flick it back and keep doing that. So now I've just got to let it cure. Alright then guys, see you soon when it's dry. Bye. My swirl cup is now dry, ready to be decaled or whatever the customer would like. Some customers just like it plain like this, others like it with their personalized name or a quote on there. Basically I'll see how this one goes. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Alright then guys, thanks for watching.